with full love and respect to our Christian brothers and sisters. We are, after all, the only other religion in the world that holds Christ, peace be upon him, in any esteem. As Muslims, we view him as a messenger of God, as a prophet of God, as one of the greatest messengers and prophets who came to confirm the law of Moses and abrogated only some of those laws, and who's in a line of messengers and prophets. So even the Messiah, we do believe he's the Messiah. Muhammad, peace be upon him, didn't teach that he would come back to the world to reform it. He actually taught that Jesus, peace be upon him, would return and would establish justice in the world once again. So we believe in a second coming of Christ.
There was a lot of diversity of opinion of who Jesus was for several hundred years, but it is fair to acknowledge that there was a diversity of opinion on that across the early church.
The two largest religions in the world hold Jesus, peace be upon him, in a very high esteem. And that's something to acknowledge as well, that the similarities are more than the differences. However, to us, our view of God is more in accordance with the Judaic, of who God was and so on and so forth. So the concept of salvation and so on and so forth, all of that is more in accordance with the Jewish tradition and things of that sort. So we believe that Jesus, peace be upon him, was in the line of those messengers and prophets, and not as a son of God, not in the begotten sense. Is that fair, Pastor?
Yeah.
You good with that?
I'm good with that.
All right.
Thank
I don't
you.
have to do anything to your cookies, right?
No, we're good.